Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with the Dherbs Kitchen, and I got an amazing recipe for you. Watermelon and mango salsa. I love my sauces, I love my dips. This is something, football season's right around the corner, school's just starting. This is something you can pack in lunches. This is something you can bring to the office if you're back in the office, something you can make at home for yourself, quick, simple. So we have some diced mango and watermelon. We are going to, in a large mixing bowl, add the cubed watermelon. Watermelon is slightly larger than the mango because of a textural difference. The mango is much softer and you don't want it to break down and become mushy. Much smaller than those, I have a minced red onion. This is a quarter of a large onion or about a half of a small red onion. You can use white onion, you can use green onions or scallions. You just want to mix that together to get it evenly incorporated. And we're going to flux between wet and dry ingredients. So we have some hothouse cucumber or English cucumber, smaller seeds. They're much drier. They don't have that much liquid. Again, we're making a salsa. We don't want it to excrete liquid. We want something that's crunchy and fresh and flavorful, bright. Cucumber is going to help with that. Again, the cucumber is smaller than both the mango and the watermelon, but of course larger than the onion. And again, we want to mix. So at this point here, we have a beautiful, vibrant salad. It's not quite a salsa yet. We're going to season that with some pink Himalayan sea salt. This is our favorite. Spice, jalapeno. This has been seeded, the ribs have been removed, and this has been minced about the same size as the red onion. And that's about a half a jalapeno because I like it spicy. You can do a quarter. If you like it hotter, you can do maybe a Fresno or habanero. Habanero will work really well actually because it has nice capsaicin, which is the heat factor, but it's also fruity and has much more of a fruit taste than the jalapeno would. Again, it's much hotter. Now we're starting, watermelon jumping out the bowl. Lime juice to bring some brightness and all those flavors together. Just mix this. And lastly, some fresh picked cilantro. The leaves have been removed from the stems. Not gonna cut it to break it down or wilt it. We're just gonna tear those leaves. Presentation bowl. Including prep, excluding eating this in about 3 minutes. It's literally about a 10-minute salsa right before game time kickoff. Something easy and fresh to do with some chips, tortillas, crudité, fresh veggies. This is the watermelon and mango salsa. If you like this recipe and like to see more, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Click the little bell icon in the corner and follow us at www.dherbs.com/chef. Enjoy.